Today we are going to be mastering Google Slide Master. And stick around, this is the video for you. Okay, so I'm in my Google Slides. I have got this template set up and I want to go into the Slide Master. This is the way that we can edit the whole presentation, layouts, everything in our slide presentation without going into every single slide that we've already done. So we can make big changes over our whole presentation. And this is a massive time saver if your presentation is 10, 30, 50 slides long, and you can just go in, edit the master, and the changes will apply to the whole slide. The first thing to get into it, you've just got to go over to the slide tab, go to edit master, and that's it, you're in. You can tell when you're in the slide master editor by this gray background bordered area, okay? So that's the design way of saying, hey, you're in the master editor. Once you're done, you can just hit that X there to go back to the normal editor. So a layout, if it isn't obvious, is just each slide, the layout of the boxes and everything that you want on one particular slide, okay? This master slide here, well, this will govern the rest of the presentation. I'm just going to show you a quick example. Now, I've put this little logo down the bottom here. You can see that one. If I go ahead and just get that out and I put it in here to the master, if I put it there, you'll notice that it's now, that one has got one hiding over it. You'll notice that it is in all of the slides now. So again, that's the power of this master slide. You can come in here, you can make edits. So say I want my color backgrounds up here different. I want the font to be gray, and I want all of this font to be a different font type. I made it look trash, but just to show you how that edits. And you can see here, all of the other slides, our text color has changed, our font type has changed, because we edited the master, and that will go ahead and affect all the others. That's awesome to affect the whole master, but if we just want to make edits to individual layouts, well, we come in here and then we can just edit and change the fonts. And you can add background images, you can add in whatever you want, and that will change the layout of everything, okay? So it's really that easy. The last thing I want to leave you with, very important that you are in the slide master section to edit all the slides, and then you come in back to the normal editor to add new slides and make content changes. So content goes here, your design and your layouts go here. Then you will speed up all of your presentations. You'll be able to make templates way faster. It will be in your best interest. Awesome, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead over to the blog. I'll put some more info there. Please leave a like on the video and think about subscribing. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, see you guys.